Hi, I'm Rachael and I work for Horsham Wellbeing, for the Horsham Wellbeing team. I'd love to share with you today one of my favourite recipes. It's a really, really simple recipe. It's also one of the favourite recipes of our many clients who've attended our weight off workshops. It's a mackerel pate, so it's sugar-free, it's dairy-free, it's vegetarian. It's really simple. It can be used for snacks, it can be used for light lunches. So the ingredients you'll need, some mackerel pate. I like using the tinned mackerel pate in olive oil, giving you plenty of omega-3s. Of course, oily fish should be eaten at least 2 to 3 times a week. And look for the little blue certification here that shows that it's been sustainably caught. So we're going to use 1 tin of those, some lemon. We've got the juice of half a lemon, and we're going to use 2 teaspoons of horseradish sauce. Again, there are lots of really good different horseradish sauces out there. There is a Sussex company based in Chichester that make a really good one if you want to keep it local. And if you like, a little bit of black pepper to give some zing. So all we need to do is get a bowl, get hold of your mackerel tin, open it up. All that lovely olive oil, going to give you lots of omega-3s. Nice fish here. Of course, you could use fresh mackerel if you wanted to. Okay, we'll leave that there. Then we're going to add to that our 2 teaspoons of nice horseradish sauce, and then add in the juice of half a small lemon. I'm using, just for the filming here, just mixing it by hand with a fork, but you can of course use a food processor. Doing it by fork will give you a much rougher, thicker texture, but a food processor will make it smoother. So just mash it until you get the consistency that you like, and add in that little bit of black pepper. And then you'll see that a finished article, which I did earlier, might look like this. This is one that was made in a food processor, so you'll see it's nice and smooth. It can be eaten on toast, on whole grain rice cakes, on oat cakes, or really, really simply, when you've got the munchies, put a little bit inside some celery and you've got a super quick snack there. It can also be used as a dip, which we could use with celery or carrot. So what a versatile recipe. Thank you, hope you enjoy it. Bye.